Let's work with rational numbers and check whether the basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division do satisfy associative law or not. Let's talk about the first example in your textbook. It says 2 by 3. So he says A is minus 2 by 3 and B is 3 by 5 and C is minus 5 by 6. Alright, now we're trying to check whether associative law is satisfying here or not. So associative law is A and plus B plus C. I take 3 terms and these are the 3 terms, and that should be equal to A plus B and plus C. That style is different. I'm just adding these two guys first and adding the answer with this A. In this second case, I'm adding these two guys first, and with the answer I'm adding C. So let's substitute A, B and C. That's minus 2 by 3 here, plus 3 by 5 and plus minus 5 by 6. So I'm taking this plus because I'm talking about addition here. Alright, so this C is negative, so let me write it like that. Let's open it a little later. Alright, who is A here again? Minus 2 by 3 plus B is 3 by 5 and the whole thing plus minus 5 by 6. Okay, now let's open those brackets first. This guys and this guy will work first. With the answer will work on this. That is 2 by 3 is just like that, and I'm trying to work with this guy. So let me open this. That is 3 by 5 plus into minus 5 by 6. Okay, that's it. And here is minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 5 by 6. So nothing to do here. Now let's work with the LCM here. Remember the LCM. I take the LCM of these two guys. The LCM is actually 30 here. Now how will I add these two guys? There are two ways. I divide 5 with the LCM and multiply the whatever remainder you get, quotient you get with this guy. Otherwise, what I can do is, the LCM is 30. Can I make 5 as 30? 5 into 6 is 30. So I'll write into 6. That's it. Alright? And LCM is 30. So how can I make 6 as 30? Into 5 and into 5. That's the whole idea. Why am I doing this? Alright? So you already know that if the LCM of this guy is 30, make the denominator 30 here and 30 here. So multiply and divide the same number. So I can see that minus 2 by 3 plus, I can write this guy as 3 into 6 is 18 by 30 minus 5 into 5 is 25 by 30. So the whole idea is to make these two guys same so that I can add or subtract the numerators. Fine. In the same case, 5 and 3. 5 and 3 was the LCM. 15 is the LCM. How can I make 3 as 15? Into 5, so I divide here, so I multiply here. That's it. How can I make 5 as 15? Into 3 and into 3. This is what I have. So it goes like minus 2 minus 10 here divided by 15 plus 9 by 15 is what I have. Cool. Alright, plus minus 5 by 6. That's it. So now what next? I can see that denominator is the same, so I can actually subtract this. So minus 2 by 3 plus, I will write 30 once, and 18 minus 25 is minus 7. I got this. Right, is equal to, in this case I can write 15 once, and how will I add these guys? Minus 10 and plus 9 is minus 1. Correct? So now what happens here? Plus minus 5 by 6. This is what I have. Now I will solve this now and check whether the answer is the same. Right, let's go with this. I have the LCM here to be how much? 30, because 3 and was the LCM of 3 and 30. So I'll go with 2, 3 goes like that. It's a 15. Again with 3, 1 and 5, and it's 5, 1 and 1. That is 6 and 5 is 30. So how will I make this guy 30? Minus 2 by 3. I'll just multiply with 10 into 10 so that this guy becomes the LCM. LCM here is 2 into 3 into 5. That's it. Right? That is 30. Cool. Now come back to this. Now this guy is plus into minus minus, and 7 by 30 itself. Similarly, what is the LCM here? 15 and 6. What is the LCM? So let's find the LCM. So 15 and 6. Go with 2 first. 15 and 3. Go with 3 again. 5 and 1. And I have 5. It is 1. So LCM is again what? 6 and 30. So I can say 30 is the LCM. And let me write into 2 into 2 so that I can make the 30. That is minus 2 by 30. And this is minus 5. I'm multiplying into 5 into 5, correct? So that becomes minus 25 by 30. Okay, cool. So we understand this, right? So what's happening here now? I can see that minus 2 into minus 10 is minus 20 by 30. Minus 7 by 30 is what I have here. The right hand side I have, right, minus 2 by 30. And this guy is minus 25 by 30. Cool. What's the LCM? The LCM is 30. same denominators, write ones. Okay, this is minus 27, and on this case LCM is ones and minus 27. Very simple. So I can see, yes, this is satisfying. Addition is satisfying, right? I took the addition part of it. I can see if I add three numbers or three rational numbers in this fashion or in this fashion, I'm getting the same answers. So I can say that yes, addition is associative on rational numbers. That's all about it. Okay.